everybody, 80 Jackson 330 here, and today I'm filming an unboxing of the February VillaBeautifful kit La Vie en Rose. It is so perfect for Valentine's Day, and I can't wait to show you all what's inside. So let's get started. So let's start with the papers for this month. We have 4 8.5 by 11 double-sided sheets, so I'll flip through those. We have a diagonal stripe with a faded marble print in the background, and then this really pretty floral print. We've got some roses with a marbly background and a cute little swirly effect on this one. Some more florals and really pretty hearts on the kind of like a watercolor marble background on this one. And then I love this paper and this X and O and hearts, and then the watercolor marble on the back of that. You also get 2 specialty papers this month, so you get this very pretty vellum and this sheet of purple vellum with the roses on it. Next up, we'll go over the 3 large sheets of stickers you get. First up, we have the headers. Love this marble column here, and the clipboard stickers, a couple of banner flags and boxes. Next up, we have the icons, some flags, little boxes and words. And last, we have the full boxes. And I love when she does these double full boxes of the planners. Those are always so cute. Next up, we have the mini sheets of stickers. We get 5 of those. So we'll start with the washi strips. Then we have some boxes, date covers, checklist and circle icons, and the deco. How adorable is this tassel banner? Love this. Then we get the 2 journaling cards, the large and the small, perfect for dashboards or stuffing into pockets. The kit also came with this really sweet little pouch that's all packed with goodies, so I will open that up. So here we have the sticky notes for this month. You get a marbly background with the florals at the top. And again, it's that really soft, nice quality of paper. And 2 VillaBeautifful exclusive tapes in this month's kit. First up, we have a skinny foiled floral tape. And next, a standard with foiled heart tape. This month features a different kind of pin. This is kind of a coppery rose gold pin with a heart gem at the top and a twist end. You also get 3 large gem heart planner clips, and these are double-sided, so they look great from both sides of your planner. So you get pink, or a light pink, a black, and a dark pink. And I saved my favorite part of the kits for last. These are adhesive pockets. You get 3 in amazing patterns. We've got some florals, some hearts, and the XO heart pattern that I loved so much from the papers. I'm sure you guys all know that these are all the rage in the planner community because they are so versatile. You can stick them into your planner pockets, you can stick them on dashboards or dividers, and you just peel off the backing and you have this really pretty transparent pocket to stuff all of your pretty die cuts or sticky notes in. And these are a new feature to her kits for this month, and I really hope that they make a comeback in future kits as well. These are so great. And that does it for this unboxing. I hope you all enjoyed watching. If you haven't seen the theme for March yet, it's me time and involves coffee cups, pillows, and nap queen shirts. So basically my personality in a kit. Check out the description below for a link to the shop, and don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me over on Instagram. Thank you all so much for watching. Bye!